Shabbat Shalom, everybody. With the virus affecting the entire world, I just want to take a couple of minutes to show you how, again, Jewish ingenuity can help to save everyone. As you know, our synagogues these days are sitting empty. So what do we have in our synagogues that no one is using these days? We have these hundreds of thousands of kippah that are just sitting there in the box as you walk in. So what do? We start with the kippah, and then we have a few rubber bands. So depending on your head size, you may need to put a number of rubber bands together, depending on how many you need, but you just take them, put them together like this, and you measure your head size by going like this to see how many you need. So now the next step is you take the common everyday clip. See the clip? Now there's a special technique to this because you have to take the clip like this and put it onto the rubber band, and there's two clips on each clip, or two handles. Now you have to take each one of these handles so you have a secure connection, and you connect them to the rubber bands on both ends. And I did it wrong. At both ends, you have to connect it so the rubber band is on both ends. And what do you have now? You have a connection between the clip and the rubber band. Now what do? I think you've all figured it out. You make the connection between the two. Now I've already sized this for my head. So now I take the clip, attach it to one side of the kippah, and then I attach it to the other side of the kippah. And what do we have? A Jewish face mask. Now you go like this, and it's perfect. Now we're all safe and sound, and we can make another large contribution to the world. The thing that makes it even more beautiful is that at your home, I'm sure you have bags of kippah that you've collected over the years, whether they're black ones, white ones, red ones, and each one says a special occasion on the inside. So not only are you saving the world, but you're also bringing joy to the world at the same time. For example, this one is for a wedding that we recently went to. So I wish everybody a safe battle with this virus, and this is a contribution that the Jewish people are making to save the world again. Thank you.